best barbecue here in South San Antonio. Today we're going to be trying out their brisket nachos. Let's go check it out. Donica, owner and founder of Barbecue Republic of Texas. Tell me, Donica, what was your inspiration for the brisket nachos?
So, I was going over appetizers. We have these offered B-bombs, and I said, okay, we'll have B-bombs. And then I said, we need something else, like that people can maybe just share as a meal with a beer or a drink. So we were kind of researching, and I love nachos. So like, we have to do nachos. And my daughter was like, nachos? And I was like, okay, that sounds good. We could do nachos with brisket. So we decided to do nachos with brisket, but add everything delicious, yummy, and gooey to it.
Oh, that's perfect.
Yeah.
Can you show us how you make them?
For sure. Let's go. All right, Gabby, so this is what we're gonna use to prepare our brisket nachos.
Okay, awesome.
Okay, so we're gonna use awesome chips that are kind of exclusive to us.
Ooh.
I haven't had these here in San Antonio, but one other place.
So where are they from? How are they exclusive?
Well, they're exclusive for us. That's all I'm gonna tell you.
Oh, okay, some secrets, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Alrighty.
They're delicious. So first, you're gonna get your beans.
Alright.
Place your beans all nice and even on there. Okay. See Gabriela's skills here.
That's even enough.
Yes, ma'am. Then grab your brisket and sprinkle it evenly all over. Make it look nice and even. Remember, people eat with their eyes, so it's like,
That is very, very true.
So everything's measured out, okay? Usually. All right, now next is your yummy gooey cheese made in-house with about 4 different cheeses.
Ooh, look at that.
Yeah.
Oh, I cannot wait to eat these.
Oh, I know. I eat them every day. That's why I have this little thing here. All right, next is your sour cream. You're gonna just nice and even, okay? There you go. Wherever you put it, if you like it, use extra. Then you're gonna sprinkle your pico de gallo. I usually just
A little sprinkle of pico.
Of course.
And then
This
we
is
have
barbecue and we're Hispanic, of course. Yeah. That's the topper.
Look at that.
Beautiful, right? Looks great. And they're ready to eat.
Let's go try them.
Let's
These nachos are so good. The brisket beans really take it to the next level. And then you throw in the queso, the pico, the brisket. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna eat this whole plate. Bye. So, is there anything you want to say to our followers?
Yes, come out to Barbecue Republic of Texas and have these delicious nachos. We are open from Thursday through Sunday, 11 to roughly 7 or 8. We're still working on our hours during this odd time, but definitely come. We're here. We're kind of on a limited menu right now, guys, but we're going to get back to normal.
Yeah, so make sure y'all come out and tell them that Eat Drink Local sent y'all.
Yes.
Bye.
Cheers.